Grand awakening, Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. Check out the ebooks. Check out the music. Check out booking a massage with me is a great experience. Your word of the day is belief. Believe in yourself. I want you to have that unwavering, that faith that you had when you started out. Just because it's getting difficult and you're actually seeing the results, I don't want you to stop. I want you to continue to believe in yourself the way that you did whenever you started your process, your journey, because if you believe in yourself, how you believe in yourself is how you train the world to believe in yourself. How you see yourself is how the world is going to see yourself. And also, you come too far, way too far to stop now. I believe in myself, the beauty of life, and the goodness of God. Thus, I have the power to fulfill my dreams. The will of the Almighty supports me. My life is showered with divine light, and my heart opens up to the power of the universe. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.